There are two parts of PSC. Number one, looking, and number two, feeling. For doing the first part, that is looking, you need a well-fixed mirror big enough to see your body waist upwards. Stand facing this mirror, first with your arms down by your sides. In the reflection of the mirror, check the shape and size of your breasts and the color and texture of the skin over the breasts. Then, with both your arms fully raised above the shoulders and slowly moving your upper body from one side to another, look for any changes. It is not unusual for one breast to be larger than the other. You should learn what is normal for you so that you can spot any changes immediately. There are two other positions in which breasts have to be examined. With both the hands pushing down on the hips to tighten your chest muscles and bending forward at the waist with your arms relaxed. These two positions help you notice any dimpling on the skin or nipple often caused by a growing lump. Now, let us come to the second part of PSC, that is feeling. Feeling is done most effectively while lying down. Place a folded towel or pillow under the shoulder of the side of which breast is to be examined. And then place the arm at an angle of 90 degrees as shown in this picture. This position enables the breast tissue to spread more evenly. Check the whole breast from the armpit to the breastbone and from collarbone to the bra line. Now, let us understand the crucial part of examination. Starting from the armpit, using the pads of middle three fingers, make 3 coin-sized circles. While making these circles, 3 different pressures, light, medium, and deep, have to be applied at every spot so as to check the full thickness of your breast. With light pressure, only the skin over the breast moves. With medium pressure, one moves deeper, midway into the breast tissue at the same spot. And with deep pressure, one feels up to the ribs on the verge of pain. It is worth emphasizing that every spot has to be examined by making coin-sized circular movements, applying 3 different pressures using pads of 3 middle fingers. Do not use the tips of the fingers, only the pads as they are most sensitive to touch. Next, move 3 finger width downwards, keeping the fingers straight with pads flat against the breast. Cover the entire area spot by spot, going up and down in vertical strips about as wide as your 3 fingers. Do not lift the fingers away from the skin to avoid missing a spot. Next, bring your arm by your side and examine the armpit. Then, check the other breast exactly in the same manner. After you have done BSc a few times, you get used to the normal lumpiness of your breast and you have no trouble detecting a change. Although most changes are not cancerous, if you find a change, have it checked by your physician. Women with larger breasts should lie down on the side as shown in this picture to check the outer half of the breast. Then, keeping a hand on the nipple to mark the midline, roll into the flat position to examine inner half of the breast.